Greetings from Antananarivo, Madagascar. I'm Mino RAMARSON. All of you know me. Welcome to the third virtual council meeting of the International Land Coalition. Why are we doing this? With the new strategy, we decided that the midterm council meeting will go virtual. Our hope remains that we reduce the travel demand on the council members and also reduce the cost for ILC, which will allow us to have a more substantive council in December. We come to learn how best to use this innovative means and did well over the last 2 years. So I still strongly invite you to show the same level of engagement this year. Let me welcome incoming council members from Latin America, Caribbean and Africa who will be participating in this council meeting as observers. They will formally take over in September. Also, we have 3 regional hosts with us as observers, CEPES, KPA and ELCI. Welcome to you all. For this virtual council meeting, we have 4 agenda items. 2 are for approvals and 2 for guidance and feedback. None of these are expected to be controversial or require lengthy discussion. They are, however, important for the work of ILC in the second half of 2018. The first agenda point is about the approval of the 2018 final budget. This is an important formality following the tentative budget that was considered during the 13th Council in December, and we seek approval for this one. The second agenda point is funding scenario for the next triennium, 2019 and 2021. This is an important complement to the above. It is for feedback, and it both contains quantitative elements for our funding prospects and qualitative insight on some changes that we wanted to have on our funding strategy. The third agenda item is about the management responses to the midterm review. The MTR was good for the ILC work done over the last 3 years. Still, Secretariat and RCU have prepared the responses to the MTR. We focus on areas for further improvement. We will give feedback and authorize Secretariat to further develop management responses in all its details. The fourth agenda item is about the Global Land Forum and the Assembly of Members 2018. We will get an update on preparation and next steps. We will have a chance to comment on the agenda of the Assembly of Members, and if agreed, this will be sent to all members in advance of our coming to Bandung, Indonesia in September 2018. This meeting will work across 12 time zones. This means that we can talk to each other at the same time. As a result, the format of this meeting is designed so that we can discuss 1 issue per day, and with each member posting their comments and allowing others to react. At the end of the day, the Secretariat will summarize the comments in all 3 languages. Max will tell you more about it in a short while. I encourage you to log on to the discussion at least 2 or 3 times during the day, read through the latest updates, and to post your comments and react to others and their posts. This means you will dedicate on average 1 hour per day to the Council. I think it is doable. Before handing over to Mike, who will guide us through the details of the 21st Council, let me, colleagues, thank you again for your commitment as Council members to set aside time to contribute for this Council meeting. I look forward to interacting with you and wish you all a successful Council.